Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming identity and dues. This speeds closure. Once you have your Aadhaar and the registered SIM, call Airtel Customer Care or open the Airtel Thanks app. Make sure any pending bills are noted. If you want closure, clearing dues avoids delays. Decide now whether you want to port your number, suspend for a short period, or permanently disconnect. These choices determine the next documentation and form you will need, so choose before you proceed to the detailed steps. Now you execute the core process. Open Airtel Thanks or call 121, then select the disconnection or service termination path. Upload scanned Aadhaar and the signed request form when prompted. Once done, the system triggers OTP verification to your registered number. Make sure to follow any scheduled appointment for in-person verification if the agent requests it, because that confirms identity. If you are porting instead, initiate port at new operator before final disconnection to preserve your number. You finish by confirming the termination status. Wait for the final confirmation SMS that includes request ID and termination date, and then review the final bill. Make sure to check for refunds or security deposit adjustments, which typically process within 7 to 15 business days. If the service remains active beyond the stated date or billing errors appear, escalate to the Airtel grievance cell and visit a local store with your request ID, Aadhaar, and any receipts. This usually resolves lingering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.